Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on my channel, I look exhausted for one, and two, we have a new space. We have a new setup, we have a new lighting. How do y'all like that? I hope you like it a lot. And today's video is basically gonna take you through what I did to rearrange the room, what it looks like, what it looked like before, what it looks like after. I know that I've never shown you guys behind the scenes here, but that's because I was kind of trying to figure out my groove, figure out what's going on with my space. And now that I have, I want to show you guys. So I hope that you like it. It's going to evolve, continue to evolve as we grow and as I rearrange things around and just kind of get settled into this new space. And I hope for those of you guys that are starting out and starting your channel, you go with the flow and go with the growing pains. I know that it's frustrating not to be able to buy things right off of the bat and get all of the equipment that you need, the lighting that you need, the space that you need, the brushes, the makeup, but just have faith and be patient. And put all the work in. Put the work in and things will happen for sure. I just kind of wanted to give you that little inspirational, motivational moment at the beginning of this video, just because it's so easy to get discouraged when you see all of these influencers with so much stuff and so many things, but you have to remember that they all started somewhere. And I can certainly tell you that I've changed my recording studio up maybe 3 times in the past year, and this last time is closer to where I want it to be and what I want it to be. So just be patient, put the work in, don't get discouraged, focus on you, and you'll be good. So now that I've given you all of that, I will show you how I almost lost my toe. That totally did happen. I thank God didn't have the camera on when it did happen, because otherwise I don't know what I would have said or did, or you know. But yeah, don't be barefoot when you're assembling a desk. That's all that I have to say about that. Let's get into the little mini setup blog part of this video. Alright guys, so look a hot mess, but we did that. This is the new layout, the new space. I will do a little insert of the video to show you guys just what things look like now that I've cleaned them up, and have got some background stuff going on, you know, a little bit. We're gonna fix it up and have some more stuff going on up here, but I still don't know what I want to do. My husband and I were just talking about that as we're setting the studio space up. I don't know if I want to do a neon sign, if I want to do colored backdrops, or if I want to do something like, I don't know, textured wall of some kind. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked redoing my studio with me and just kind of setting things up. Not really unboxing, but I just had all of my Sephora gratis like stuck in one space. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, and congratulations to us for having a new space. Welcome. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below and tell me what you think, and yeah, See you guys next time. Love you. Bless you. Bye.